Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for the cutest, coziest cat bed for your furry friends? Then this one from TANGN is so perfect.
This little linen cat bed is shaped like a leaf, and it is literally one of the cutest things I have ever seen. I love that it comes with this nice little support so that the leaf will stay open and the non-slip bottom so your cats can get in it nice and easily, curl up, and stay nice and warm. I put this next to my bed, and my cat Chin here gets in this thing every single day. He is a big boy. He's about 15 pounds, and he still fits in here nice and cozy. And I love looking at him all curled up in this sweet little bed. It would make the perfect gift for any pet parent.
My cats love this cat bed, and I know yours will too. And that's my point of view.